Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul, I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding 20 very important multiple choice questions for the preparation of entrance exams for Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA and other competitive exams like MSc Zoology, MSc Botany, MSc Biochemistry entrance exams for various university and institutes, ICMR Bhubaneswar, Common University Entrance Test, CUT PG, एम्स रायपुर, एम्स ऋषिकेश, एम्स जोधपुर, जिपमेर पुडुचेरी, क्रिश्चियन मेडिकल कॉलेज वेल्लोर, इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ पब्लिक हेल्थ IIPH, निमहांस बेंगलोर, लखनऊ यूनिवर्सिटी, पुणे यूनिवर्सिटी, राजस्थान यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ हेल्थ साइंसेज, SGPGI Lucknow, KGMU Lucknow, and for all other university and institutes which conducts public health, hospital administration and other competitive exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes public health, hospital administration and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So here first question is, red color of blood is due to presence of. Red color of blood is due to presence of. Options are A plasma, B hemoglobin, C RBC that is red blood cells, D WBC that is white blood cells. So correct answer is option B hemoglobin. Red color of blood is due to presence of hemoglobin. So red color of blood is due to presence of hemoglobin. Next question is metal present in hemoglobin. Metal present in hemoglobin. Options are A copper, B iron, C manganese, D zinc. Correct answer is option B iron. Metal present in hemoglobin is iron. So metal present in hemoglobin is iron. Iron is the metal which is present in hemoglobin. Next question is function of hemoglobin is. Function of hemoglobin is. Options are A to transport oxygen, B destruction of bacteria, C to check the loss of blood, D none of these. Correct answer is option A to transport oxygen. Function of hemoglobin is to transport oxygen. Function of hemoglobin is to transport oxygen. Next question is, hemoglobin is an important component of. Hemoglobin is an important component of. Options are A red blood cells RBC, B WBC white blood cells, C platelets, D cytoplasm. Correct answer is option A red blood cells. Hemoglobin is an important component of RBC that is red blood cells. So hemoglobin is an important component of RBC red blood cells. Next question is, blood coagulation is prevented by chemical when it flow through artery and vein is. Blood coagulation is prevented by chemical when it flow through artery and vein is. Options are A heparin, B plastine, C thrombin, D prothrombin. Correct answer is option A heparin. Blood coagulation is prevented by chemical when it flow through artery and vein is heparin. So blood coagulation is prevented by chemical when it flow through artery and vein is heparin. Next question is, coagulation of blood do not occur inside human body due to presence of. Coagulation of blood do not occur inside human body due to presence of. Options are A hemoglobin, B heparin, C fibrinogens, D none of these. Correct answer is option B heparin. Coagulation of blood do not occur inside human body due to presence of heparin. So coagulation of blood do not occur inside human body due to presence of heparin. Next question is, red blood corpuscles is also known as. Red blood corpuscles is also known as. Options are A erythrocytes, B leukocytes, C thrombocytes, D eosinophils. Correct answer is option A erythrocytes. Red blood corpuscles is also known as erythrocytes. So red blood corpuscles is also known as erythrocytes. Next question is, antibodies produced in the plasma of blood by. Antibodies produced in the plasma of blood by. Options are A monocytes, B lymphocytes, C eosinophils, D neutrophils. Correct answer is option B lymphocytes. Antibodies produced in the plasma of blood by lymphocytes. So antibodies produced in the plasma of blood by lymphocytes. Next question is, red blood corpuscles is produced into. red blood corpuscle is produced into? Options are A. Spleen, B. Kidney, C. Liver, D. Bone marrow. Correct answer is option D. Bone marrow. Red blood corpuscle is produced into bone marrow. So red blood corpuscle is produced into bone marrow. Next question is graveyard of red blood cells is? Graveyard of red blood cells is? Options are A. Heart, B. Bone marrow, C. Kidney, D. Spleen. Correct answer is option D. Spleen. Graveyard of red blood cells is spleen. So graveyard of red blood cells is known as spleen. Next question is main function of white blood corpuscles is? Main function of white blood corpuscles is? Options are A. Transport of carbon dioxide CO2, B. Transport of oxygen, C. To produce immune system of body. Option D. None of these. Correct answer is option C. To produce immune system of body. Main function of white blood corpuscles is? So correct answer is to produce immune system of body. Main function of white blood corpuscles is to produce immune system of body. Main function of white blood corpuscles is to produce immune system of body. Next question is life of red blood cells in the body. Life of red blood cells in the body. Options are A. 60 days, B. 120 days, C. 365 days, D. 465 days. Correct answer is option B. 120 days. Life of red blood cells in the body. Correct answer is 120 days. So life of red blood cells in the body is 120 days. Next question is number of which type of WBC, that is white blood cells, is greatest in blood of human? Number of which type of white blood cells is greatest in blood of human? Options are A. Eosinophils, B. Basophils, C. Lymphocytes, D. Neutrophils. Correct answer is option D. Neutrophils. Number of neutrophils of white blood cells is greatest in blood of human. So number of neutrophils type of white blood cells is greatest in blood of human. Next question is at high altitude red blood cells of human blood will? At high altitude RBC, that is red blood cell of human blood will? Options are A. Increase in number, B. Decrease in number, C. Decrease in size, D. Increase in size. Correct answer is option A. Increase in number. At high altitude red blood cell of human body blood will increase in number. So at high altitude red blood cell of human blood will increase in number. Next question is when a foreign body enter into blood circulatory system, the reaction is started by? When a foreign body enter into blood circulatory system, the reaction is started by? Options are A. red blood cell, B. white blood cell, C. platelets, D. cytoplasm. Correct answer is option B. white blood cell. When a foreign body enter into blood circulatory system, the reaction is started by WBC, that is white blood cell. Next question is invention of blood group is done by? Invention of blood group is done by? Options are A. Landsteiner, B. Levine, C. Vanier, D. Landsteiner and Vanier. Correct answer is option A. Landsteiner. Invention of blood group is done by Landsteiner. Landsteiner invented blood group. Next question is blood group which have no antibodies. Blood group which have no antibodies. Options are option A, option B, B, option C, AB, option D, O. Correct answer is option C, AB. Blood group which have no antibodies. Correct answer is AB. So AB blood group have no antibodies. AB blood group have no antibodies. Next question, blood group which have both antibodies. Blood group which have both antibodies. Options are A, B, C, A, B, D, O. Correct answer is option D, O. Blood group which have both antibodies. Correct answer is O. O blood group have both antibodies. Next question, blood group which have no antigen. Blood group which have no antigen. Options are A, B, option C, A, B, option D, O. Correct answer is option D, O. So O blood group have no antigen. O blood group have no antigen. Next question is antigen is a substance which? Antigen is a substance which? Options are A. Lower body temperatures, B. Destroys harmful bacteria, C. Triggers the immune system, option D. is used as an antidote to poison? Correct answer is option C, triggers the immune system. Antigen is a substance which triggers the immune system. So antigen is a substance which triggers the immune system. So the substance which triggers the immune system is antigen. So in this video, information regarding 20 very important multiple choice questions has been given for the preparation of entrance exam for public health, hospital administration and other competitive exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes, public health, hospital administration and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions, PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video.